Why Telegram not send code, how to fix. So if you're not receiving the code from Telegram, right, so what do you do if you want to fix it? So sometimes you might just be trying to log into Telegram, but it tell you that it has sent you the code, but you have not received the code. Now sometimes what happens is, if Telegram detects that your Telegram account is still logged in on other devices, like maybe your Telegram account is logged in on your laptop or your desktop or computer, the Telegram will actually send code to the Telegram app or the website in that particular account. So you might want to check the Telegram app instead. Only then, if that doesn't fulfill your condition, then you'll find an option right at the bottom to be able to send via SMS. So you can try to send the code via SMS, and only then you'll be able to find it on your Messages app. Now let's say even if you select send from SMS, you're not still getting the code on the SMS app. Do not try from the same option over and over again. Uninstall the Telegram app completely, reinstall it, and try to log in. You might also want to wait a couple of hours sometimes. If it still doesn't do the job, then there is another version of Telegram called Telegram X, which is also by the official developer Telegram themselves. So it is not some third-party sketchy providers, it is the official app. You might want to download the Telegram X instead and see if it lets you log in from there. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.